What up, YouTube? I'm lanikanatash, and I'm finally back with a brand new video from like 5 and 6 months ago. So, hello, Happy New Year, welcome to the new year, all that good stuff. I'm finally back with a brand new video, like I said, and it's all about pink. Valentine's Day is coming up next Friday. I'm really excited because Valentine's Day is 4 days before my birthday. So I'm kind of celebrating my birthday early this year just because my man's is going to be off and we're going to be, doing a lot of great little stuff. But anyways, I wanted to put out a video before that day so y'all can go on and buy this new fentybeauty eyeshadow snaps, And Brianna has this amazing one, which is the 4 rows, and here are the colors. They're amazing. This is what I use on my entire eyelid, so I want y'all to go check that out. Look at the rest of the video if you're feeling this look, and if you are, stay tuned, look at the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you ain't subscribed to my channel, I know I've been MIA, but please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see y'all next time. Deuces. So I have the Fenty Snap Shadow in 4. And this is 4 rows, and here are the colors on the back. Alright, so first I'm going to start out with Sleepover and put that in my crease. Start out with something light this time and then work my way up to something dark. Here we go. So I know it looks crazy, but you want to start packing it in and then start blending it out so you can get ready for the other color you're going to use. I'll be using the color Little Miss, which is, okay, so first I'll start off with Sleepover, which is this little palish looking pink where my nail is. And then I'm going to be using Little Miss, which is this hot pink color right here. And I'm going to also use it in the crease. And since I used the light color above, I'm just going to blend it up a little bit when I do blend out this pink. Blend it up and down. After I put Little Miss in the crease, you see how much I blended it out towards the top. I'm going to go in and use my LA Girl Warm Sands because I am going to be doing a cut crease in this video. I have some big ass lids. Okay, so since you last seen me, I had put concealer on my lids to do a cut crease. Now I'm just trying to debate on what pink I want to use next. And it's between these two right here. Probably use both, but the one at the bottom, which is the more glittery, that one is Diva Fever. So I think I'm gonna go ahead. Yeah, Diva Fever. I think I'm gonna go ahead and put that in the inner corner of my eye. And so, okay, that's fancy. Fancy schmancy. And anytime I do like that crease, I usually just pack it in on the lid. And so, and just keep on packing until you get your desired look. And now I'm gonna go in with this other pink glitter, which is this one, and that is called Stunner Queen. Just gonna flip the brush over and just smooth it. Oh yeah, these are some pretty colors. They almost look the same. Just this one is a different consistency going on. And just kind of mix them together. You see, it's a different pink now. I'm probably gonna go all the way towards the bottom with that. Smoke it out a little bit. Yeah, these are pretty. I like Stunner Queen, but I think I like Diva Fever a whole lot better. So just put it back on top. Just mix the two. Blend it on in at the ends. That's pretty. Keep it really pink. Okay, so off camera I did my lashes and my foundation. Even though I look kind of crazy, but I did my lashes. I didn't do any eyeliner, just lashes. But I'm going back in with this 4 Rose eyeshadow palette, and I think I'm gonna use Little Miss again, but I'm gonna put it on the waterline. So next I'm gonna go ahead and go in with something for my lips. I think I'm gonna use the MAC Current lip liner. It's kind of like this purplish burgundy color. Taraji's Viva La Glam, the pink one. Just put enough lip line on. kilowatt. It is the Girl Next Door and Chic Freak. And I'm gonna use my favorite one, which is Chic Freak. And here's my overall look. Hope you guys enjoy my pink Valentine's Day look. And I'll see y'all hopefully in the next videos to come. Deuces.